see the sparkle in your eyes. I do, I do. And you are excited about this season and this
Yeah.
time, and it's just like, and you are like a kid in a candy store. So,
Yes, I am.
what is it about this season and this whole concept of we're gonna wait for I should wait for Joyce Pickett to get back in here, you know? Did you have to go to the you didn't have to go to the beautician, did you? I got you muted, ma'am. But go ahead, Coach Miss Davis. Go ahead and tell me what has you so excited about this season of life and this season with AI.
Well, AI is just a game changer, in my view. I mean, you can accomplish a year's worth of work probably in a week if you understand how AI works and you know how to do it. So,
Okay.
uh, oh, there she is.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
look
All
I'm
right.
beautiful.
sorry. I'm sorry. I look. Oh my
Oh,
God.
ma'am, ma'am,
I didn't
ma'am.
expect to be on camera.
This is a no apology space. You don't no
Yeah,
apology needed here. Okay. All right.
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. Now, ma'am, we've been knowing each other for at least
Yes.
5 years, right?
Yes.
And this is our
Yes,
first
we
time,
have.
and we may have talked on the phone or something, but I believe this.
Yes, we did a TV show together and everything. Well, you were on the phone.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Hmm.
I believe this is my first time having the face-to-face contact. So it's yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because you were on the phone, but you were on TV, but you were on the phone.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, good to see
Mhm.
you, man. And
Good
good.
to see you too. Good
Okay.
morning to you all.
good
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So I'm gonna be sharing this. I'm gonna be sharing this up on Facebook. I'm gonna be posting it, but I just wanted to let you all know that it will be live. Now, Coach Carolyn
Yes.
Davis, Mr. Noble, Jeffrey Noble, good to see you, sir. Good to see you. We'll get you going here in just a moment. I'm gonna walk you through KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. I'm gonna go through there. I'm gonna walk you through it live. But right now, folks, all you baby boomers out there, you baby boomers,
Yes.
you whippersnappers.
Mhm.
I want
Oh
y'all
God.
to know. I want y'all to know. I want y'all to know this is the best season ever for baby boomers. Okay,
Yes.
it is
Mhm.
the best season for
Yes.
seniors. Why?
Yes.
Because
Yeah.
we've got so much wisdom, and if we think
Yes.
Yes.
like Mr. Noble's there, we'll look like Mr. Noble. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
He's like, dude, okay. All right. But we're excited to have you all, and it's good to be here. So I wanted to ask, and Coach Bray, good to see you. Good to see you. Mr. Noble, good to see you, sir. Good to see you this morning. All right. Okay. Coach Carolyn, what is it that AI is helping you do that's just game changer for you?
Man, it's like the best assistant. It's like having a writer and an editor in your back pocket. It's like having a paid assistant that you didn't pay,
Mhm.
and they know what they're doing and they do it right. So I'm over the moon with AI. I'm just over the moon. There are so many things I want to do. It's like, what happened to the hours in the day? Where did they go? You know, because I'm just there. That's just me. I'm sure I'll come down at some point, Dr. Fred, but right now this is not that time because I'm waking up and I'm in every room and I'm on everything. And listen, I got so much to do. I can't even tell you.
Oh
I have a
wow,
lot
that's
to
nice.
do. So,
That's nice. That's nice. All right, Coach Charlene Bray, introduce yourself. Then I'm gonna come to you, Miss Pickett, and then Mr. Noble will come to you. Introduce yourself, Coach Bray.
Charlene Bray, best-selling, number one best-selling coach. I've got two books published, three books actually, two of which wound up being number one bestsellers. The first one, To
hey,
Live, to Die, to Live, Stories of Eternal Connections. I work with those who have experienced loss. Um, Death is mainly, but in
Did I lose you?
stories of three 90-year-olds, 90 plus year olds. I got their books. They all made number one bestsellers at age 90, 91, 92. And second book that I actually wrote and published. A Wisdom Speaks, a guide to telling your story, discovering your purpose, and living the life of your dreams. And I've now got clients doing some coaching and absolutely excited about the whole process.
You say your clients are doing coaching?
No, 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 no. I'm doing coaching.
You're doing coaching. Okay, got it, got it. Awesome, awesome. Good to see you, Robert. Good to see you, Dr. Robert. All right, okay, awesome. Miss Pickett, introduce yourself. Then we're coming to you next, Mr. Noble.
Hi, my name is Joyce Pickett. Um, I have it all in my head. I haven't gotten it down yet. And I'm excited to find out how AI can help me pull this book together that I have in my head.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, I got it. How AI can help. Okay, all right, I got it. I got it. And I'm gonna let you
Mm.
be coming. Mr. Noble, introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Jeffrey Noble. I own a nonprofit in New York, Brooklyn, New York, called the Noble Touch Holistic Healing Center that I'm the founder of. I help individuals, leaders, and organizations eliminate emotional blocks, rewire limiting beliefs, and rapidly transform their life using powerful combination of neurolinguistic programming and energy medicine. And I've worked with people across the 6 continents and trained about 300 practitioners to do the same.
Why are you here and what do you hope to accomplish?
I'm here to get my book finished, become an author, a #1 bestseller, make a large impact in the world in the work that I do.
Awesome, awesome. We got you covered. Like the rug said to the floor, hold down, big boy. I got you covered. All right, all right. I'm trying to get a smile out of Mr. Noble. He's like,
I'm not a hype person. I'm a get it done person.
got it. All right. Okay. I'm with you. I'm with you on that, sir. Mr. Bryce, Robert Bryce, Dr. Robert, introduce yourself to us, sir. Be safe out there on the road. Tell us what's going on in your neck of the woods.
I just want to make sure you can hear me. I'm challenged with technology, which I do live in the middle of nowhere in Louisiana, and first app that I wanted to build was one that said phone a teenager, because that's what it takes to find a technical savvy person nowadays. But working on one book coming along, got it so excited about it that I'm just ready for number 2 and 3.
What about, wait a minute, you ain't told us what happened with the first one you did. What happened?
Well, it's still growing, Dr. Fred. I hadn't talked to you in a couple of days, but I got a fellow I was writing for him, acting as a ghostwriter, and he got online as soon as we put it on Amazon. He got online and started telling his friends, family, neighbors, and he's up to. It was about 120 people had responded last I checked yesterday, and about half had said they already got online and bought a copy. So it happens real fast.
Did you know that it was a #1 bestseller?
I did not know that.
Are you looking at the screen? Won't you pull over? Right there. There it is. There.
But
No.
I have to pull over. I got my phone all messed up.
Be safe, Robert. Be safe out there. Robert, here's your book, Bradley Sandburn, His Choice, Change, and Challenge. Okay, and there it is. Bradley is at #1 in biographies and memoir short reads. Okay, let's go right here, and y'all see right there. There's Robert Bryce, right there as the editor. And Bradley's book is at #1. He's a #1 best-selling author on Amazon.
Wow.
And Robert didn't. It happened so fast he didn't even know it right there, right? Okay, folks, that's the way it works. That's the way it works, and I'm excited. And Mr. Noble, there's the results, sir. There's no hype, sir. That's just fact right there, sir. Fact. I get hyped, Mr. Noble, just to wake up in the morning, though, you know. So I guess I live a hype life, but
Well, there's
it's exciting.
external hype and there's internal hype. My hype is more internal.
Got it. I like that neuro-linguistic. Well, explain that for me, sir. Explain that for us. What is, when you say neuro-linguistic? Talk to me about that. Talk to us about that. What does that mean?
To put it in a very simple way, neurolinguistic programs, the study of the pictures you make inside your head that people are not even aware that they're making, and the things you say to yourself, which you're not aware of most of the time, or how they're operating, how they're affecting you, affects your nervous system and cause you to act or react a certain way. So what people go to therapy for 10 years, I can probably get the same result in 2 visits. If you go to talking therapy, I can get the same result of a talking therapy in 95% of the cases in a much shorter period of time because I teach you how to rewire your brain.
You got my attention. I like it. I like it. You got my attention. Okay. All right. Did we get everybody introduced? Robert, yes, Robert Bradley is a #1 best-selling author. You are, and Robert, what that means is, do you know what that means?
Well, it's a whole new category of motivation there for me.
Exactly, exactly. Now, I want somebody to tell me, and Hawthorne, I see you, ma'am. I see you. I want to unpack this. Can somebody tell me if Robert assisted his client to become a best-selling author, his client self-published, what does that make that? And Robert helped him publish, so Robert is a publisher. What does that make Robert now?
Authority.
Best-selling publisher.
He's a best-selling publisher. He's a best-selling publisher.
Oh, I
So
like
when
that.
exactly. So when you publish a book, and Mr. Noble, if you'll go to your Kindle Direct Publishing account, do you have it up yet? Open yet?
Hold on. I can get it open.
If you'll open it, I want to walk you through it, and I want to get you set up on a Kindle, okay? All right. So if you'll go there, and we'll share your screen. That makes you a best-selling publisher, Robert.
While he's doing that, let me tell you what else happened yesterday.
Sure.
Bradley called me, said he's had people sending him emails or contacting him wanting to produce his book for him. He's already got enough attention from external parties that they're trying to take that away and want to do it for him.
Well, they can't get past you because you're on there as the editor, and you're the publisher. And guess what else? Oh, that's very important what he just said there, guys. All right, listen. People will see your book go to the top of the chart, and then they'll want to come in and say, let us do this with it. Let us do that with it. And this is why it is so important strategically to publish your book and your client's book. If they haven't paid you the full amount, publish it on whose publishing platform?
My own.
Your own. Your own. Publish it on your own platform because now you have that C word. What's the C word?
Control.
Control. If you don't have control, and folks, this is where a lot of people miss out. They sign contracts with people that say, I will publish your book. It will cost you this. And you pay them for coaching, but in return, you give them publishing rights. And write this down. Hold on to this. The publisher has more control over your book than the author of a book. Why? Because the author gives the publisher a license to exploit the book. Exploit meaning promote it, market it, put it out there in the biggest way. Ms. Hawthorne, introduce yourself, and then we're going to go to you, Mr. Noble, and we're going to look at your KDP account, and we're going to get you set up.
Hi, Vicki Hawthorne. I'm a best-selling author of Hallway Whispers, How Power, Pressure, and Purpose Can Teach Us About Becoming. And I'm just glad to be here to learn and share what I know.
Awesome, awesome. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, Mr. Nobles, bring your page up. Okay, so I'm gonna hit pause right here. I'm gonna stop right here because this will be a separate cut.